Hi, I'm Deborah from Sway Social. I have had over 30 years experience in small business and over the last few years have concentrated my efforts to developing a great understanding of how to use the internet to grow your sales. There are basically three sectors in the business world, and they are health, wealth and relationships. So whichever sector your business falls in, I believe my strategy has the advantage to grow your sales and increase your traffic. Ensuring your business grows by creating lists of potential and existing clients, I believe, is a secure way to have a greater opportunity of success. Add in the benefit of an automatic system and you are certainly on the road to greater success opportunities. I believe it is important to build your brand rather than just your business. Businesses like Nike and Coca-Cola and many others have spent millions of dollars of developing their brand to ensure a greater opportunity of success for each product that they release. Try my simple yet important steps to ensure your business is set up for a greater opportunity of success. Whether your business is in affiliate marketing, bricks and mortar, or working on building your e-commerce store, I've developed a strategy to show you how to build your brand and then utilize the strategies to automate your business by building your customer lists. Are you wondering where to start? Build a list of potential customers. Create a list of your current customers. Build your brand like Nike and Coca-Cola has. Promote your brand, attracting more potential customers. Build your potential database. Build your ecosystem. Love your traffic, and potentially your sales will grow. Social media has given us many more opportunities to grow our business, even within the walls of a brick and mortar business. Let me show you my strategy to growing your sales by loving your traffic. Wondering how to grow your sales and love your traffic? This sales funnel shows you the necessary steps required to build an automated system, increasing not only your customer base, but the potential to greater sales. Attracting the customer with postings or with ads, Facebook, Google, YouTube, using an opt-in page, which is part of your sales funnel that you can use with a great program called ClickFunnels. Create a bridging page, again in ClickFunnels, to build your know, like and trust. This sales funnel shows you the necessary steps required to build an automated system, increasing not only your customer base, but the potential for greater sales. Attracting the customer with postings with Facebook or Instagram, or ads both in Facebook and YouTube, Google, using an opt-in page, which you can build very easily online using a program called ClickFunnels. That's what I use. Create a bridging page to build your trust, and then build an automatic autoresponder to ensure your emails are being sent out without you having to do it each day. Then you create a bridging page. This builds the knowledge of your business, the liking of what you have to offer, and the trust that you need that your customers have for you, and then they will continually buy from you. You build an automatic responder with your email system that creates opportunities for you to rinse, spin and repeat. Rinse, spin and repeat. Your offers are growing on a daily basis. The potential to grow your business is best shown in this slide, showing you how you take your initial posting, which we call the ad or the bait, build the interest of the potential customer, offering them value, knowledge about your business, and then create the trust for them to be comfortable choosing you and your offers. Over time, the continuation of your emails and your value deliveries will increase the initial sale of your customer to many sales, adding to the revenue that the customer brings you on a regular basis. If you want to learn more on how to be successfully growing your sales by loving your traffic, join us for our free Love Your Traffic course. You'll find all the details listed below. We look forward to seeing you there to help you grow your sales and increase your traffic. Whether you're in wealth, health or relationship sector, affiliate marketing, bricks and mortar or e-commerce, we will help you grow your traffic.